You don't need higher standards, you need better ones. In the ML world, we call these benchmarks, and they dictate how we evaluate the performance of all the AI models and deep learning work that gets done. Each benchmark is an independent test used to evaluate some aspect of the model that you're looking for it to perform on when it's deployed in the real world. You can think of this like the coding tests that a lot of these new models by OpenAI or Anthropic have to go through in order to evaluate whether or not they'll be able to generate code and build apps for you. But the key thing here is that having these benchmarks dictates the route you move forward in terms of the results you get back. A model that performs poorly on the coding benchmark is one that you need to then tweak to improve the architecture to excel more at that task. It's where it's lacking. So you can understand that when you don't have a good benchmark, you can end up optimizing for the wrong thing and completely derail your training. That's why, even though it might be tempting to rip off somebody's external benchmark that does something similar, so for us, people using invasive data to measure something versus non invasive data, their benchmarks for invasive data won't match the outcomes we need to drive as well. Which means by copying their benchmarks, we're potentially leading our models down the wrong path, which is something that costs more money and time in the long run for us, but also makes a bad product and a bad model for you guys, the users.